Welcome to Konasima shorthand classes. Now I give dictation for 7 minutes at the rate of 80 words per minute. This dictation has been given in the examination held in Andhra Pradesh in the month of 2017. Not Andhra Pradesh, it is in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu State Board of Technical Education examination held in the month of February 2017. Get ready for taking dictation. Yes, ready, start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to support the demand for grant for the Ministry of Labour. First of all, I shall take up the important problem of bonus. In my view, bonus has a special importance because it is an assured income for the worker. I am glad that the government have brought out the Bonus Act. I would like to point out that it assures two things, namely the minimum bonus and the maximum bonus. Then I shall deal with the question of employment. As we know, education has spread to a large extent in our country, and as a result, we are faced with the problem of educated unemployment. As a matter of fact, most of the men and women are educated, and it is natural that they have to get employment to earn their livelihood. But we are surprised to find from the report placed on the table of the House that the problem of unemployment is growing day by day. We are not saying that the government are not doing anything to solve it. Of course, we are aware that they are solving it to the extent possible, but the pace of solving it should be rapid. In this connection, I must say that employment in the private sector also has increased. But I would like to point out that in many cases, the private sector employers are giving employment to their relatives. It may be said that the industrialists who receive loans from the government do not start industries with their own funds. On the other hand, they get loans from all possible sources. In view of this, I want that the government must see that the industries which receive loans from the government should give employment in their concerns to all sections of people. This is a very important matter and it must be looked into as soon as possible. Another point is about profession tax. At present, there is no provision in the Payment of Wages Act for deduction from wages of the profession tax payable by employees to the local bodies. From the point of view of collection, it will be easy to collect the profession tax from the employees through the management. So, we can make an arrangement by which the amount payable by all the employees to the local bodies can be collected by one check issued by the management. Letter from Vasan and Company, Kolkata, to Messrs. Madhavan and Company, Mumbai. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 10th instant. In this connection, we would like to inform you that you may return all the tins sent by us and which you have in stock. We have already sent a fresh consignment to you, which you will receive by the time you receive this letter. We would like to assure you that the new lot will be in first class condition. With regard to the unsatisfactory condition of the biscuits that we supplied you last week, we have made enquiries and discovered the cause. It was due to careless handling of the tins in our packing departments. We are grateful to you for drawing our attention to this unfortunate occurrence. We are again to inform you that we have taken all necessary steps to see that it may not be repeated in future. Yours faithfully.